All right, everybody. There's nothing really setting up for tonight. You can see that the pound has had a very large move to the downside from high to low, 268 pips, which is on the high side. Remember, the average range for the British pound is 140 pips, so we're 128 pips over that. Over this last session, there were a couple of opportunities that I want to talk about because there's nothing really setting up here. We have the beginnings of a possible pennant pattern. We just need to see how it forms up on the top side, possibly a flag pattern, again, depending on how it forms up on the top side. So let's talk about how you can take a move like this and make some money. First of all, depending on your broker, you might have gotten into the trade here only to be stopped out very quickly and then have the market move in your favor. This is one of those times where the market volatility simply whipsawed you out of the trade. There's no system on the face of the planet that will predict something like this or get you to avoid something like that. That's just the nature of trading. Remember, if trading were really that easy, then everyone would be making money. Now, here's what you've got to do. Anytime you see the market making these big moves, and here's what I mean. From the time the market reversed on the low to the time the market reversed on the high, there was 106 pips. That's over 75% of the daily range. That's a huge move, folks. So when you see the market then turn around and continue the direction, odds are you're going to see a continued move again. So you've got to be ready for the signs. You've got to be ready for this bearish wedge. You've got a quintuple bottom down here. Either way, you can see that there were two possibilities. One was a break to the upside, one was a break to the downside. So later on in the session is when you should have been prepared for this move down. I covered these types of scenarios in disc number 5, where I go over the different types of patterns. You can see that also in the advanced tactics on the website, where I talk about this kind of follow-through trading. So there were a couple of opportunities today depending on your broker. You may have taken a stop over here. Secondary position over here during the day would have yielded a very profitable trade. You can see here on the break to the bottom, the market traveled, let me get this thing, another 104 pips. So that was a very nice move. The market is still holding in this general direction. Remember, trend is still down. So at this point, we just need to wait to see how the market is going to recover and see what kind of patterns show up.